Yo, a lot of people think the Flipper Zero, the Cardputer ADV, and the PicoCalc are just hacking tools. Radio analysis, RFID cloning, bad USB payloads, and yeah, all that's true. But what if I told you all three of these devices can now DM each other like actual social media? There's profiles, a public feed, direct messages with no phone and no clunky workaround. Just your device and a network built specifically for this community. Well, I'm JBlanked, and today we're looking at FlipSocial, a social network I built that runs natively on the Flipper Zero, the Cardputer ADV, and the PicoCalc. It already has over 3,400 registrations. It's completely open source, and people are posting to the public feed every single day. I'm going to walk you through the setup on all three devices so you can be on it today. Now, before we get into it, this is about expanding what your hardware is actually capable of. The goal here is to learn by building and exploring your own devices. Everything in this video is free, open source, and built for this community, and all links are in the description below. Now, the Cardputer ADV runs Picoware, and Picoware has a built-in app store. So getting FlipSocial is literally a few button presses. Now, if you haven't flashed Picoware yet, there's a full installation guide on my GitHub. Link is in the description. It walks you through everything step by step. Now, once you're in Picoware, if you don't have the app already, you go up to Library and then click App Store and then click View All Apps. Then scroll down and find FlipSocial and click Center to download it. And that's it. Now, here's what you're actually working with. There's a public feed where you can see posts from everyone on the network, and it's sort of active. We get just about a dozen or so feed posts a day, and the most I've seen it was just 100 to 120 messages. This was a few months ago. But there's also direct messages, so you can DM each other one-to-one. All of this runs on the Cardputer screen, controlled from the physical keyboard. Completely phone free. Now, for the PicoCalc, it's the same deal. Picoware with the same app store flow. If you need to flash Picoware first, hit the installation guide link in the description. Now, if you have Picoware loaded up and you don't have the app, you go to Library and then App Store, and then click on View All Apps. Find FlipSocial and download it. The same process as the Cardputer. Now, your first time within Picoware, you'll need to add your Wi-Fi credentials within the Wi-Fi tab, and then add your server username and password within the system settings. Now, this username and password can be random, and it must be at least 6 characters and cannot be all numbers. Now, within FlipSocial, we have the same feed, we have DMs, we have an Explore tab so we can find other users, and the profile. You're on the same network as Cardputer users and Flipper Zero users, talking across completely different hardware. Now, if you're excited about this as I am, make sure you are subscribed. I regularly post Picoware updates, new FlipSocial features, and tutorials on all three of these devices. And for the Flipper Zero, FlipSocial works on every firmware, including the new Flipper Encore. It works on Momentum, Unleashed, and Roguemaster. Now, since the Flipper devices team is absent from the Flipper Zero, you can get the latest version from my website at jblanked.com/flipper/download. The link is in the description. Just choose your firmware, find FlipSocial in the app list, and just click direct download. Then you take the FAT file and you drop it onto your apps/GPIO folder on your Flipper's SD card. And that's it. Now, the Flipper Zero does not have native Wi-Fi, so it does need a Wi-Fi developer board or something else that can run Flipper HTTP to connect. That's a separate piece of hardware, but the setup is straightforward. Full guide is also linked in the description below. Now, just launch FlipSocial, add your settings in the app, go up to run, And here you go. You have the same features: a public feed, direct messages, explore tab, and a profile. Your Flipper is now talking to Cardputers and PicoCalcs on the same network in real time. Now, the fact that 3 completely different pieces of hardware can all communicate on the same network is exactly what I built FlipSocial for. Now, it's not here to replace Discord or your favorite social media. It's basically a network for IoT communities. FlipSocial is live right now. Over 3,400 registrations and a feed that's active every single day. Picoware, Flipper HTTP, and FlipSocial are all completely free and open source. Links are in the description below. Now, which device will you be running FlipSocial on? Definitely let me know down in the comments below. I'm JBlanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.